Hello, Christian here. Let's continue with CAMWorks TagDB series. This is part 4, and in this tutorial I will show you how to work with TagDB for face feature. Like other features in CAMWorks, faces have already a good technology defined, but if you need to change it, I will show you how. First, of course, what is a face feature? Well, in most cases, the top face of the feature has some allowance from the stock, and this can be considered a face feature. In CAMWorks, you can use the default strategy, and if you need, you can change a little bit in the face operation options and more, of course. So, for a better understanding, let's take a look at an example part. This is a part I will define the stock. So I have 1 millimeter allowance on the top face. So right now I will insert a milbar setup, and here I will check face already from defining the milbar setup, and of course click on the top face of the feature. Right now CAMWorks automatically recognize a face feature for me. The face feature depth is from the top face of the feature to the top face of the stock, and of course when I click on the face feature, when I right click on the face feature and press on parameters, I have some strategies here already defined for me. The most used is finish. I have a face mill with a 10 millimeter diameter. Let's click here on the TagDB ID. Right now the technology database is open up, so these are all the settings I have right now in my technology database. What can I change here? In my opinion, feature condition, operation tool selection, operation depth cut criteria. You can use it like this. If you go in the operation parameters editing mode, right now we have the ability to change everything in a face mill like we wanted. So the maximum step over the default settings are very good. The bottom allowance, it's okay. The first cut amount, maybe we can change something here. In the NC tab, we can leave it like this. Leads and links. Here we have these settings on a step over link threshold. This feed rate, it's a little bit lower, so in most cases I put here a 0, so I have 100 feed rate. Save, of course. Go back in CAMWorks, generate, right click on the face feature, generate an operation plan, and right now I have here an operation. Let's edit this face mill operation, and we have here all the settings I put in the technology database. Of course, if you want to have let's say another tool, maybe 25 millimeters, let's load the face mill tools. Let's right now I have here a 40 millimeter diameter tool. I will check this, and maybe I have a final cut amount of 0.1. Right now I have a different strategy, and to save, right click on the face feature, save operation plan, create a new feature condition, click here on new, select new, sorry. The new strategy name, it's, let's say, face finish default. Press on the green check mark, and right now I have for this type of material from 0 to 1, the width from here to here. Please note that these are the These values can be changed if you want, let's say from 0 to 5, from width from 100, but these two are already taken account from the settings of the part. So the name, you set it, but the material is like this, you cannot change here. So if you define a low carbon alloy steel, you can use these default settings. As you can see, the face feature looks and works very good with the default settings in the technology database. If you want, just do some changes and don't forget to save operation plan. Saving the operation plan is very important because it is the only way you can help CAMWorks understand your knowledge, your strategies, your company's rules regarding manufacturing and so on. So this was part 2. Until the next video, if you like this tutorial, subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow my LinkedIn profile. Links will be in the description of the video. Stay safe and goodbye.